In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a Wise card in just a few simple steps. Whether you're looking to manage your finances more efficiently or need a versatile card for various currencies, getting a Wise card is an ideal solution. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll need to create and verify your Wise account. This step is crucial as it establishes the security and authenticity of your application. Start by entering your email address and phone number. Then once you have registered, Wise will ask for a bit more information to verify your identity. You'll need to upload a valid ID and take a quick selfie to complete this verification process. It's all about ensuring a secure and seamless experience for you. Next, it's time to add some funds to your account. Over here in the Philippines, or if you're using another currency, simply add an amount to your balance. This is important as it ensures you have enough money to cover any fees and the cost of your new card. Moving forward, get either on your app or the Wise website. Navigate to the Cards tab and there you'll find the option to order card. Should you decide on a physical card, tap on Physical to proceed. It's a handy option for those who prefer having an actual card to use at various point of sale locations. Once you've made that decision, you'll see an option that says Order your standard card. Go ahead and tap it to initiate the process of getting your Wise card delivered right to your doorstep. At this point, you need to confirm your shipping address to ensure the card reaches you without any issues. Select your preferred delivery option for peace of mind. Now, it's time to continue on through the process, making several choices on delivery methods and other preferences. You'll then decide how you'd like your name to appear on the card. Personalize it just the way you want it to look. This step ensures that your card reflects your identity accurately and professionally. Let's move on to setting up your security features. Select a new 4-digit PIN and then repeat the process to confirm your chosen PIN. This will serve as your secure access code whenever you need to use your card. Lastly, review your order details carefully to ensure everything is correct before tapping continue. It's always good to double check and make sure everything is in line with what you desire. Once satisfied, it's time to confirm and pay, and that's it, your Wise card is on its way. For those in the Philippines, the delivery time can range anywhere from 3 days to up to 3 weeks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy using your new Wise card for all your financial transactions.